Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add border in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets and I'm going to add border to this data because I want to create a table. If we want to add border, we need to select our data. Make sure you have selected all the cells which contain data. And to make the process faster, I recommend you to use Control A. Okay, and as you can see that all my data has been selected, and then we can click on this border and you can choose the type of the border you want to apply to your data. You can choose all border, inner border, horizontal border, vertical border, or outer border, or this ones, and I'm just going to select all borders. Okay, and as you can see guys that the border has been added to my data, or actually you can customize the border color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add border in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.